Leo, come here, please.
Yes, Mom?
Look at your trousers.
What about them?
They are too short now.
No, they are not.
Leo, I can see your ankles.
That is fashion.
Really?
Yes, boys wear short trousers now.
And what about this t-shirt?
I like this t-shirt.
Your tummy comes out when you lift your arms.
Oh,
You are growing very fast.
am I taller now?
Yes, much taller.
Wow! Maybe I will become taller than Daddy.
Maybe one day.
Today?
No, not today.
So, what now?
We're going shopping.
Shopping?
Yes, you need new clothes.
Yay! Wow! Look at this shop!
It is called Happy Kids Fashion.
There are so many clothes!
Yes, but today we are buying only what you need.
Can I get superhero clothes?
Maybe one t-shirt.
Yes.
But first, trousers, shirts and pajamas.
Pajamas are boring.
Pajamas are important.
Good morning. Welcome to Happy Kids Fashion.
Good morning.
Hello.
Oh, who is this young man?
I am Leo. I am 7 years old.
Nice to meet you, Leo.
Nice to meet you too.
How can I help you today?
Leo needs new clothes. He has grown very fast.
Ah, yes. Children grow quickly at this age.
I am becoming very tall.
I can see that. These are our new boys' t-shirts.
Wow!
Slow down, Leo.
We have many styles. Plain t-shirts, printed t-shirts, striped shirts, polo shirts, and graphic tees.
What is a graphic tee?
A t-shirt with pictures or cartoons on it.
Cool!
This one has dinosaurs,
Roar!
and this one has rockets and astronauts.
Mom, look! Space!
That one is nice.
I want this one.
It is soft cotton. That is good for children. Very comfortable.
Can I try it?
Of course.
Look at me!
Oh, wow, that looks lovely.
Very nice fit.
Do I look like an astronaut?
A little.
I want to go to the moon.
Then you need this shirt.
Yes! Mom, look!
What now?
I want this shirt.
The pink one.
Yes, it has dinosaurs and ice cream.
That one is sold out in children's size.
What does sold out mean?
It means all the shirts are gone.
All gone?
Ah, yes.
Who bought them all?
Probably other children.
Wait, I want this one.
Leo, that is yellow with purple bananas.
Exactly. It is beautiful.
That is a very colourful choice.
I like colorful things.
Maybe choose something simple too.
Okay then. I want rockets.
We have a blue rocket shirt.
Do you have a green rocket shirt?
No.
Do you have a red rocket shirt with dinosaurs?
No.
Do you have a black shirt with pizza and sharks?
Leo, I don't think that exists.
Why not? It would look amazing.
Maybe you should become a fashion designer one day.
Yes, then I will make dinosaur pizza shark shirts.
Oh dear.
Now let us find trousers.
Do I have to?
Yes, Leo.
We have jeans, joggers, cargo pants, shorts and chinos.
What are joggers?
Soft, comfortable trousers with elastic waist.
Oh, like pajama trousers?
Similar, but more stylish.
I want comfy clothes.
Good. Then try joggers.
These navy blue joggers are very popular.
They have pockets.
Yes, big pockets.
Perfect. Mom,
What happened?
I am stuck.
Leo?
Do you need help?
My foot is trapped in the trousers.
Turn the trousers around, Leo.
Oh, okay, fixed. Mom, shoes!
Oh no.
We also have children's shoes.
Look, flashing shoes.
They light up when you walk.
Look, look, look!
Yes, Leo. We can all see.
These are sports shoes. Very comfortable for school and running.
Can I run fast in them? Faster than Dad?
Probably not.
Faster than Grandma?
Definitely.
Now pajamas.
Pajamas are boring.
What about superhero pajamas?
Wait, superhero pajamas?
Yes, look here.
Mom, I love this shop.
And for winter, we have hoodies and jackets.
What is a hoodie?
A warm sweatshirt with a hood.
Like this? I am mysterious now.
So today we have 2 t-shirts, 1 hoodie, 2 joggers, 1 pajama set, 1 pair of shoes.
And superhero pajamas.
Yes, very important.
How much is everything?
The total is $145.
That is a lot.
Clothes are expensive sometimes.
I have $3 in my piggy bank.
Very generous.
Thank you, Leo.
Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you.
Enjoy your new clothes, Leo.
I will wear my astronaut shirt today.
After we wash it.
Mothers always say that.
Mom?
Yes, Leo?
Shopping is tiring.
Yes, very tiring.
But fun.
Did you enjoy today?
Yes, especially the flashing shoes
I knew it.
and the superhero pajamas.
Of course.
And being stuck in the trousers.
That was not fun.
It was a little funny.
Today, Leo learned many new words about clothes and shopping. He also discovered that growing up means needing bigger clothes. Did you enjoy shopping with Leo and Anna today? Then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends to learn more easy English stories with us every week. See you in the next slow and steady English story.